example, our main product here is RFID. This is a radio frequency identification device, which is being exported to US. Process normally is just we import materials, okay, from different countries, US, Singapore, Korea, what else? Germany, and that. So from upon arrival here, our QC or incoming QC personnel will check all the materials. Of course, before we can purchase, we need to prepare a purchase order to be sent to the supplier. Okay. So upon arrival, then our IQC will have to check if the purchase items or quantities are equal doon sa purchase order na in-issue namin. Okay. And then if okay, it has to be forwarded to warehouse. Then the warehouse will safekeep all the materials purchased. Then, if needed na in production, they have to issue a document. Production will request a material list, material request list for the warehouse to issue. They have to kit first and then issue it to production. And then once issued to production, then that's the time it will be processed. So, meaning, there are many items that has to be purchased and then requested in order for us to be able to produce or manufacture a certain item. So medyo, if we are going to go into details, talagang mahaba. That's the main lang. Then after producing, ba't parang init? After producing, so it will pass through outgoing QC. So
QC po
outgoing quality control. Yes. So kapag okay na yung item, then ready for shipment.
Okay. Next. Karamihan po ba export po?
Yes.
30% daw yung local.
For local. Then next question na po. Yung company.
Actually, I do both. Managerial
and financial.
Kasi as a in managerial accounting, the main recipient ng mga data ko is within the organization or within the company. When you say financial accounting naman, recipient is outside. Like, I have so many reports to prepare in compliance with the requirements of the PESA, BIR, SEC.
So,
an accounting manager must be analytical kasi it's really important in all the transactions of the company, especially like a manufacturing company. You have to be analytical to be able to come up with a report which I'm going to present to management. So you also have an accounting manager must also have the ability to communicate well, because of course all the informations or data will not only come from accounting, di ba? It will come from other departments. Flexible ka, and then yung teamwork din importante, and good relationship with other department heads. Kung wala kang good relationship with other departments, mahihirapan kang kumuha ng data. Yan ang pinaka-important. Or pinaka-mahirap din doon.
yung mag-collect ng details.
Yes. And then, it is also important for me na maging keen on details, because as an accounting manager, of course, exposed ako more on numbers. Diba?
Konting error lang.
Yes. Even a simple period, diba? that means a lot. Kung mamali ka.
Naging 1,000.
Yes, correct. Yan, talagang you have to be very keen on details. In manufacturing, normally job order costing for every item kasi requested by the by the buyer. Normally kasi ano yun every new item or new model magpa-pilot run yan. But of course, before we proceed with the purchasing of items or materials, we have to prepare a cost for that.
So, it's parang
Yun yung
custom.
sa job
Yes, yes.
ko.
Different. Ano po ba yung, sino po yung mga buyers niyo mostly?
Amen. From US, Savvy Technology.
Samsung din po ba?
No. Samsung, previously we have Samsung pero ngayon wala na Locally, we have Aztec here, Artisan, but very few. More on export.
Export talaga.
Among the, yung decision, yung sa costings po dyan, yung job order, yun lang po yung ginagamit niyo usually po. What yung
Cost
others po, yung other costing?
Cost volume profit analysis, more on break-even analysis yun
Oh.
Although we prepare. Yes, but in a business operation, it is more on job order processing. Kasi nga, you have to give or to prepare first the cost before you submit your quotation to the buyer.
Po yung process na
In job order costing, first we have to estimate magkano yung magiging cost ng materials in producing one unit. Job order costing. Actually, ano naman yun hindi talaga sa accounting ginagawa.
Okay.
We have a marketing department na siya yung talagang prepare ng costing for submission of quotation to the buyer. Yun. So, but in preparing the job order costing, he needs to have the purchasing to be able to get an idea on how much will be the cost of the materials.
Manggagaling po sa accounting.
No, purchasing.
Sa purchasing.
Kasi purchasing department,
Okay.
they are the one responsible in unit of this item being all the materials. So, since, for example, new item or new product na i-purchase, so, i-estimate na nila yung mga items involved para doon sa product na gagawin. Yun. So, yung labor naman, they have, kumbaga, from the standard costing, kumbaga, PE naman namin, PE department, they have an estimated number of manpower to be used and how many hours or minutes na magagamit in producing this item. Yan, yung mga ganun. So, all of that, kinakailangan merong informations talaga makuha yung marketing department namin. Yung overhead expenses, more on accounting yan. Kumbaga, we just give information also overhead expenses.
Ma'am, kapag nag-exceed po kayo ng capacity ng orders, posible po bang mag-exceed kayo ng capacity po ng orders mo? And
Mag-exceed ng capacity.
Opo, yung sa orders po sa inyo, kunwari, for example, 10,000 units lang po yung in-order po sa inyo ng tapos biglang nagkaroon ng special
Yes, oo.
capacity.
May cases talagang gano'n.
So,
depende sa demand.
Opo, sa
Diba?
demand.
Kumbaga, in a short time, i-inform kami na magkakaroon ng additional order. Yes, possible yun.